Guys, there's another video about the roof. I put that underlaying sheets on the roof, and here in the top there is a spot of the roof that could be fixed by pieces of these sheets. So I measured that it's about 65 centimeters lines. So I prepared these sheets to be cutted, and we'll do it for you, and we'll do it together. So I've got 6 pieces of the sheets, and now we'll put it on the top of this roof. So a little bit later we'll show you what will be there. Okay.